Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is February the 21st, 2026, and this is officially my first little video for this channel. Disregard the stuff that's written on here. I've just used an old Ziploc baggie, but in here, I don't want to keep this video too long, so I'm going to pull this out. So what I've got in here are some seeds. These are basil seeds that I started off 4 days ago. So that was back on the 17th. Let me just check that to make sure. February the 17th. So tonight makes it 4 days. And I'm going to open these up. Let's just open up the paper and check this out. This was more of a little test. I just wanted to see if I could get some of these old seeds going. Now, I'm going to get the seeds and I'm just going to show you. So here are the seeds. So I harvested these not in 2025, but in 2024. And you can see they're very, very dried out at this point. So the other day I just took one of the longer stems and just pulled them all off, got the little seeds in there, and then I just dumped them in there, put a little bit of water, folded it up, and then put it into that little Ziploc baggie. And I'd say, from looking at this, we have some pretty good success. Let's see if I can zoom in. So let's see, that's 2, that's 4, there we go, there's 4. All right. I think that looks pretty good. I just zoomed in 4x. I am using an iPhone here to record this. Now look at this. So let's start down at the bottom. Look at that. Very nice. So there's one there. There's another one right in here. Where's my finger? Right there. And then I've got a bunch more. You can see them all in here. Look at them. Just use a little pointer. I've got one there. Got one there. One there. Got another one over here. Maybe a couple more starting in here. We've got another one way over here. Oh, we're not on camera. Let me pull that down. Way over in here, this area here. Yeah, we've got some pretty good growth going here on a lot of these. This is really nice. So I'm just going to keep them in here until tomorrow, and then I'm just going to plant them in a little bit of soil and get these going. But I am very, very impressed. It cost me nothing to do this. And there you can see how easy it is to start off basil seeds. Let's zoom out a little bit. And if you take a little bit more time and you only get the seeds, then you're going to have a little bit more of a cleaner area here. But this was really just a test. I just wanted to see what would happen. My growing season is very far in the future. We've still got tons of snow outside, about maybe 3 feet of snow. We just had about 15 centimeters of snow yesterday. And so we are still in the winter season where I live. But there we go. So anyway, just a really fast one. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to get these started. So thanks very much for watching. As I continue on with this little journey here, I will keep you updated with a few videos. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.